Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your motherboard supports Uefi and backing up any important files now. This prevents data loss later. Once done, create recovery media such as a USB installer or system image so you can restore if needed. Next, from Windows, disable fast startup and note secure boot behavior because these affect boot changes. Finally, reboot the PC and press the vendor key, F2, Dell, or ESC, immediately to open the firmware interface and begin changing settings. You now locate the boot or boot configuration section in the firmware menus. Navigation varies, so scan tabs like Boot, Advanced, or Security. Once found, change boot mode from Legacy or CSM to Uefi and enable Uefi only when you are ready to enforce modern firmware. Make sure to save changes, but do not reboot until you confirm disk partitioning. If your system drive uses MBR, you must convert it to GPT. Use tools like Windows MB. Finally, reboot and confirm the system boots under Uefi. If you plan to reinstall, boot from your Uefi USB installer. Once booted, if the OS fails to start, use recovery tools. In Windows, run BCD boot to recreate Uefi boot files or run automatic repair from the installer. Make sure firmware secure boot settings match the OS expectations. If things go wrong, temporarily switch back to Legacy to access diagnostics and repair tools, then reapply Uefi after fixing boot configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.